If you are trying to choose between Abacus AI and Genspark, you are probably confused because both promise powerful AI tools, but they are actually built for very different users. So in this video, I'll break it down quickly and help you decide which one is better for you. What is Abacus AI? Abacus AI is an enterprise level AI platform focused on machine learning and data science. It lets you build custom AI models, automate data pipelines, run predictive analytics, deploy AI at scale. It's basically designed for businesses, developers, and data teams who want deep control over AI systems. In simple terms, Abacus AI equal advanced technical and business focused AI. What is GeneSpark? Genspark is a completely different type of tool. It's an all-in-one AI workspace that combines AI chat, content creation, research tools, slides, docs, and spreadsheets, AI agents that can automate tasks, and more. It even uses multiple AI models like GPT, Cloudy, and Gemini in one place. In simple terms, GeneSpark equal easy to use, all-in-one AI for productivity. And when talking about the key differences, number one, we have target users. Abacus AI, developers and companies. GeneSpark, creators, marketers, everyday users. Ease of use. Abacus AI, complex technical setup. GeneSpark, beginner-friendly interface. Features. Abacus AI, machine learning predictive models. GeneSpark, content creation, research, automation. Workflow. Abacus AI, build your own AI systems. GeneSpark, use ready AI tools instantly. Pricing and value. Abacus AI uses a credit-based system, which can be confusing and hard to predict costs. GeneSpark offers a free plan with daily credits and clear pricing. So for most users, GeneSpark feels more accessible and easier to manage. Pros and cons. Abacus AI Pros, powerful and scalable, great for custom AI solutions, strong for enterprise use. Abacus AI Cons, not beginner friendly, requires technical knowledge, pricing can be unclear. GeneSpark Pros, all-in-one AI platform, very easy to use, multiple AI models in one place, great for content and productivity. GeneSpark Cons, credit limits can restrict heavy use, not ideal for deep technical AI projects. Which is better? Choose Abacus AI if you are a developer or company. If you need custom AI models, if you want full control over data and ML, choose GeneSpark if you want a simple AI tool, if you create content or do research, and if you need fast results without coding. Final verdict. For most people watching this video, GeneSpark is the better choice because it's easier, faster, and more practical for everyday use. But if you are building serious AI systems for business, then Abacus AI is the better tool. And that is it for today's comparison. If you found it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like and subscribe. And tell me down below in the comments which option or which software or which AI did you use and why and how was your experience. Share this video to your friends. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and goodbye.